So while DJI Pocket 4P is still kind of up in the air when it comes to a proper US launch, and Insta360 Luna Ultra is becoming one of the main contenders in this space, there's another company quietly trying to enter the conversation. And unlike the others, this one seems very focused on launching in the US. Yep, we're talking about Xtra Cameras and the upcoming Muse 2 Pro. Now, the second you look at this thing, you instantly know what inspired it. This is definitely one of those copy the assignment but change it slightly situations. But to be fair, Xtra isn't cloning everything one-to-one. They're clearly trying to add a few ideas of their own to the compact gimbal camera formula. Recently, they shared this new teaser image showing off some of those changes, and the biggest highlight here is definitely the dual-side flip touchscreen. The articulating display has this really unusual mechanism where the screen can apparently flip and be accessed from either side of the camera body. And honestly, this might actually be one of the smarter ideas we've seen from them so far, because compact gimbal cameras are great for portability, but depending on your angle, those tiny screens can become annoying really quickly. Another thing they highlighted is the integrated grip, although just by looking at the teaser image, it doesn't seem like they've dramatically changed the overall body size or shape. Instead, it looks more like Xtra has simply refined and slightly improved the grip area to make the camera a bit more comfortable and secure to hold during handheld shooting. And right below that, you can also spot the built-in 1/4-inch mounting thread, which honestly is a pretty practical addition because it means you don't need a separate accessory or mounting attachment just to use the camera with a tripod or extension pole. And since the USB-C port is positioned on the side of the camera, there's also a good chance this is how Xtra plans to handle accessories like battery modules or expansion attachments. So instead of everything connecting from the bottom, similar to some Pocket setups, the side port could become part of their accessory ecosystem. Now, design-wise though, let's not pretend this thing doesn't heavily resemble DJI's Pocket lineup. The overall shape, the compact body, the gimbal head placement, the inspiration is pretty obvious. But at the same time, Xtra seems to understand there's still room in this category for alternatives, especially if they can offer something cheaper or more creator-friendly. But honestly, the software side here is what makes this situation so interesting, because unlike most Pocket-style competitors, Xtra's earlier Muse cameras were already compared heavily to DJI's Osmo Pocket lineup. People noticed similarities not just in hardware, but also in the UI, app behavior, stabilization feel, and even accessory compatibility. So the bigger question with the Muse 2 Pro probably isn't whether it can match DJI level stabilization anymore. It's more about how much of its own identity Xtra is trying to build this time around. On that note, there will still be a few spec differences between the two because even though they may look very similar on the surface, Xtra seems to be tweaking certain parts of the hardware and overall experience, and honestly that might actually make the Muse 2 Pro more interesting than expected. Peace.